Welcome to ToolsMet, where we explore powerful tools that make your work easier and more professional. Today, we're talking about the band saw machine, one of the most important and versatile machines in woodworking. A band saw machine uses a long, continuous blade that runs smoothly around two wheels. This unique design allows you to make straight cuts, curved cuts, and detailed shapes with excellent control and accuracy. One of the biggest advantages of a bandsaw machine is its precision cutting. It is perfect for cutting thick wood, shaping furniture parts, and resawing large wooden boards into thinner pieces. Compared to other saws, it produces less waste and smoother edges. The bandsaw machine comes with key components like a powerful motor, adjustable cutting table, blade guides, and safety guards. The table can often be tilted, making it easy to perform angled and beveled cuts. By changing the blade type, you can handle both rough cutting and fine detail work. Safety is another reason why many professionals prefer bandsaw machines. The blade cuts downward into the material, reducing kickback and making it safer when used correctly. Still, wearing safety gear and following proper operating techniques is always recommended. Bandsaw machines are widely used in furniture making, cabinetry, DIY projects, and professional workshops.